Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and I'm here to do the name picking of the winners for the membership drive. I put everything in a wheel. Let me switch over to the wheel one moment. So I'm going to draw 3 names, and the first name wins 3 digitals from my shop, the second name 2, and the third name 1. So here we go. And Amanda Spring, you won the first prize, so you can contact me through Messenger and tell me which 3 kits you want to receive. So we're going over to the next spin, the second prize. Sorry for the noise. And the second prize is, which one? It goes very slow. Diane Gaines, you won second prize. Send me a message and tell me which 2 kits you want to receive. And the third prize is 1 digital from my shop. And here we go. And Michelle, I'm going to pronounce it maybe the wrong way. I'm sorry. Vickesen, we would say in Dutch. You won the third prize, and you can contact me via Messenger and tell me what kit you want to receive. I'm sorry for the noise. The Messenger is on. So yeah, this is the drawing for the membership drive. And yeah, thank you all for joining in with the Facebook group, and I hope you all joining will. Okay, I have to do this again. Thank you all for joining in, and I hope you all enjoy doing challenges with us and share your art in the group. You don't have to do all the challenges, by the way. We would love to, but it's not that you need to do it. It's a choice. So yeah, this is it for today, and I'm going to do the third winner's drawing for the journal giveaway, the Valentine's journal giveaway. And I will do that in a separate video. So if you did enter in that one too, please watch the third video too. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Stay safe, stay creative. Greetings from the Netherlands, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye. Bye.